out. Basically, we just have to face it this way. Make sure it's flat because you got your little tabs going in there. Put the piece there, and then I took a socket of the correct size. Like that. Similar to what we did with the other stuff. If we were going to do it official, we'd go over to this door right here. Pull one of these out.
Excuse me?
No excuse for you. Here's one of these. There we go.
Just use that one anyway.
Press it back. Okay. So it only goes out that way, so that means we gotta flip it over to make it go in.
This one's a good one.
That's the sandblasted one. Almost messed it up, didn't I? Why don't I have that? I have to go with this. Alright, here we go. Going back over. Now it lays flat. Pieces in. I was telling Mario, used to doing this with a socket, just knocking it loose. Got a kind of a tapered edge on that side. You can see it in there. Take this. Quite. Damn it. Alright, gotta clean that up. Clean it off in the solvent tank and anytime you drop something. This part of assembly. So once again, we go in here. We just want to get started a little bit to keep it square. And we're going to do like we did last time. When we put it in, we're just going to get it started.
Drill that out.
Up a little bit, and then
Oh, it came off a little.
yeah, I'm saying get this thing lined up. So as we said before, we're going to give it a little bit of a nudge, right? So it gets tight, and we're going to loosen it. Make sure everything's square. Going in. Is it square going in? It looks good. Then, right?
There it
Sitting
goes.
on it pretty good.
Yeah, it went down perfectly.
Well, it's off just a hair. I'm just moving the piece that's holding. Now it's squared up. You see it? So if it goes, no, we just wanted to bring it
Flush, right?
flush. Yeah. There's flush. All right. I don't think I know what I'm doing.
Huh? Sweet.
Kind of scary. Another piece together. Get all these things together, and we're ready to put it together.
Woo!
Here we go. Come on, look over here.
Tell them what you did, Fred.
So, there's a tiny little oil gallery that I didn't know about till Tatro showed me, but you gotta put the, come on from the top. Looking down, straight down, no, down inside here. See that there's a tiny little oil gallery? You got to clean it, spray it, clean it, spray
Right
it.
there, yeah.
Now you
And
can
this
see
big
it.
old spooge of sand
It
and
goes into the breather
grit.
here.
And other stuff comes out of there.
See all that nasty, dirty looking wet material that came out of there? That feels like beads when you put it on your fingers.
When I did mine, I did it like at least 10 times. if not more than
Well, there's a
that.
whole video of that when Gino got hit in
And
the
then I
eyes
did
with it.
there.
remember?
Yeah, I blew it in video, in the line of fire. Cleaned it.
Now the problem with this case is someone drilled the holes all the way through.
Whoa. You got a hole.
See a hole right there?
That shouldn't be there.
That'd be a breather leak. That'd be a lower oil pump bolt leak.
Why did they tap it through?
I don't know, but see, that's pretty deep. And see, I'm not even to the hole yet. And of course, they drilled these two top ones straight through, you can see.
Are we going to?
Shouldn't have done.
We're going to fill them in.
We're going to fill them in with some JB weld.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can have a motor without some
See how
GB.
much material I had to remove out of there, and it shouldn't be doing that.
Can have a motor, a legit motor without a little bit of JB weld
Yeah,
somewhere.
dude.
You know what I mean?
For real.
No, this one goes in here like this. Yeah, that one hit me in the eye too. You got a piece of my eye too. Yeah, safety glasses. They were good. Okay, where's that plate at that you stole?
Nice.
Stoled.
Damn, are these long enough? Did you get anything shorter?
You didn't have anything shorter.
Sure I do. Got every length.
Every length, he says.
Where's your drill?
Right there.
Where's your drill?
Bits? Is that, you forgot the last part.
I said drill.
I pointed to one.
It's a drill motor. It's a drill.
So those are drills now? Those are what we call drills?
These are, I call these drills.
Okay.
Mm.
They drill things.
It's a little hole right there.
Where's your fancy oil pump at?
I'll go grab it.
Did you read the instructions? Didn't come with it?
Absolutely not.
They convenient don't give you instructions anymore. Okay, so you gave me these ones here, which are probably a little bit on the long side. These are clearly too long.
Let's see if I can get a parking place a little closer to the hole.
Parking place. Where's this hole at? I think I put this on backwards. Maybe it goes like this. When the holes line up correctly, you have it correct.
There you go. Remember that, kids.
Look at that. See, they're offset. These bolts appear to be a little on the long side. It's a good thing this is completely drilled through the motor. Oh, that stopped right there. Okay, it appears that you're maybe that much too long.
Okay.
Put a washer on it.
Another washer, I got a bolt. Now we're going to use this used bolt instead of the brand new stuff. What do you got there? Ooh, look at that.
Billet Ultima oil pump.
What's that fit?
Oh, let's see. It's made in Taiwan. Got that one. So
Better in China.
better than China. So that's good. And from Keenan's notes, let's see here, 81 through 91. Wait, is that 81?
87.
87?
No, BT. Yeah.
That's pretty nice.
BT 81 to 91.
Yeah,
And here's your motor.
78.
Perfect.
You
fit.
take that last beer, man?
Sure
Of course.
That's a perfect fit then.
Yeah, this is a 78.
It's warm beer too, so
Just like Keenan likes his drinks, man. Warm.
warm beer, man.
Okay. This appears to be
It
the
seems
gasket.
like, you know, I could have my engine together by now. I ain't got these problems.
See this hole right here?
Yep.
We're going to add that. Because that is not in here. But after I put that hole in there, it'll be in there, see?
What was that?
That's a pressure relief valve hole.
Oh, fancy.
If you don't put that in there, you have very, very high oil pressure. You know what very, very high oil pressure is?
Yeah, it's like if, when you have diabetes, right? No, it's not.
Diarrhea.
Diarrhea.
Yeah.
Oh, that would be not diabetes.
You could have upwards of 300 psi.
Oh,
Yeah.
so like race engine.
Explosive
So, like-
diarrhea.
So like a dragster motor oil pump pressure.
The dragsters don't have oil. They just put like grease in there and run them. Because we don't run them more than about 5 seconds at a time. All right, so you have to put this drill hole in here so that we will have a pressure relief. So that has to be installed in that spot. Not over here, not over here. See, that one's already there. That one's not there. Oh, that one's not there either. Okay, so this is the one you got to use. If it's in the right spot. Now, did you check to see if it's in the right spot?
Yeah, you did.
You just check.
Yeah, you just did.
Against that gasket.
Against this gasket?
Against that gasket.
So
Is he getting
Instant replay, please.
Deja vu.
So that hole's going to wind up where we're going to put it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cocaine's one hell of a
Right
drug.
there? Right in that spot?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It helps to double check, because if you do it wrong, it could be a problem.
More JB.
Mojo reload.
Okay, now we're going to drill. We don't know what we need.
The drill motor.
Oh, there we go.
The drill motor.
Electric. High output.
High output. And never.
At least you're getting some kind of output. Right?
Yeah.
Opposed to low
Hey,
output.
where's Adam?
Huh?
Did Adam get lucky and stop coming by?
Who's Adam? Freddie, you need another beer.
Oh yeah, well,
Yeah, you better go get some more.
I'll take my gun.
And these like to plug up your bit, so frequent lubrication is good.
Frequent lubrication.
Lube brocation.
Lubrication, mate. Getting lubed up.
See, it's getting kind of sticky in there.
Yeah.
You need
It's
more
clogging
lubricant.
that bit up.
Yes, it is. If it clogs up enough, guess what happens?
Seizes.
Brakes.
It breaks off. And then you have a real problem.
How freaking deep you gotta go? All the way into the
See how
case?
it's got pressure on it?
We bust,
And
maybe.
you notice I'm not using full RPM on that. Did you see that big chunk that came out like a chunk?
Yeah.
That one chunk that looked like a chunk? Yeah, we saw that chunk.
Because it was constipated in there.
Diarrhea needs to stay regular.
Diarrhea means it comes out
No,
non-chunky.
it needs regulation.
Chips plug up in there, see? If they plug up enough, they become solid.
How come you have this thing ready to go, man? What's up?
I didn't know this.
He did not read the instructions on doing this. That are clearly in the package. See the instructions right there.
That's a warning.
That piece wasn't with it, was it?
No.
This piece here that you have bolted to it?
Yeah, that's
wasn't
The
there,
drill
was it?
fixture?
yeah.
No, it's not in there.
Did you make that?
No.
He said the S&S used to make
Had
it.
to remake it.
Of course.
The drill wouldn't fit in it. Oh shit! There appears to be a hole over here now. See that?
Sweet.
See?
Quick look.
Hole. There appears to be a hole in there. And it clearly did not hit the other holes that are in there,
Nice.
which is a really good thing.
Yeah. Yeah, that is.
It's got high
Clean
flow.
your case. Go clean them again.
You got it.
You're gonna have to clean them again because they're dirty.
Dirty cases, man. Harry Varden never plays with dirty balls.
Sweet.
You know who Harry Varden is?
Nope.
Tennis player.
Guy down the street.
Golf.
The guy outside talking on his cell phone.
Golf.
That's the one.
Golf guy. He's a famous British golf player.
All right. So
I'm off to clean the freaking.
now, who's got my quarter 24 bolts I need for doing pan-in motors and early shovel motors?
I don't know.
Fred. Somebody lost them.
somebody took them and put them on somebody's their pump.
They probably didn't fit the bike and just threw them on the floor and figured I didn't need them no more. I had a drill fix with no hardware with it.
That's not good.
No, it isn't. Alright, so it appears that we now have a hole to go with that hole.
Holy cow!
Nice.
And look at the precision of hole size they use on this. So
Holy.
that way, if your case is not drilled right, you're okay.
All right. Holy cannoli.
But of course, it might leak too because the hole is so stinking big. There's no gasket left. But that's a secondary issue. Obviously, that little piece of gasket will hold up to 100 pounds of pressure with no problem. Otherwise, they would not have made it
These
that way.
comments are just so precise.
Yeah.
So.
Okay, so we fixed all your holes here. Now you're going to have to fix these holes over here. And you're going to have to JB weld up this other one too. Now don't plug up the one I just put in there.
Okay.
I'm gonna mark it with the.
Plug up the two there.
Mark it.
And first you got to clean this crap out so there's no more of this stuff like this coming out.
All right. So I gotta run through the wash.
So when you're done getting crap, like looks like oily, crappy shit
Here.
coming out, you're clean.
Here, Mark.
I'm not
Do
marking
not
it.
plug.
Mark the hole.
I know which one's
Mark
up.
them.
He's
Mark.
going to have to clean the
That
case
one.
anyway.
Yeah.
Mark.
And are we going to change out this cam bearing?
Yeah.
Then you need to take that out because that probably has dirt in that too.
All right. So we need to take the cam bearing out.
Because
I'd
somebody,
take it out
because
first.
somebody
We can show that.
bead blasted these.
Yeah.
You know how to do it.
Now, did you happen to blow these holes out over here that are covered with puke and crap that I feel like right now they're getting...
Well, that was just a first run of cleaning because I knew we were gonna do some more.
And did you
know what I
happen
mean?
to blow out all these
Really?
holes through here and make sure they're not full of shit too?
Yeah. I was just checking to see if you were on
See
point.
if that's on point?
Yeah.
There
Thank
go.
you.
Good job.
So let's
There
take
we
the
go.
cam bearing. Let's take the cam bearing.
Very good job.
Yeah.
Very, very good
Yeah,
job.
not bad.
Here we go.
Okay.